The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Poco M7. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco M7 5G features a tall 6.88-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco M7 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5160 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with HyperOS skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 2 years of OS and 4 years of security updates. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 mm, and it weighs around 205.4 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco M7 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 7th, in mint green, ocean blue, and satin black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M7 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,